It's wet. It's windy. Yep, September is here. Hi. It's a little bit later in the morning than when I usually talk to you, but I've just had a meeting with the boss of our local builders merchants, and yeah, there's still the curved roof, the damage to the paintwork and on the curved roof sheets that we are trying to get sorted. And so we have some movement. We have a representative from the company coming to take a look at the damage at the end of this week, which is good. So yeah, wish me luck on a swift resolution to that. I fear it might be measured in years, but hopefully there will be a good outcome. Today is a lovely weather for the ducks. C'est un bon jour pour le canard. So we're going to go inside and we are going to do some bits and bobs. I'm going to nip off to the builders merchants to go and get some conduit cable. Milan is taking care of all of the little cutouts of the ply that I did way back in November of last year. That's where the legs of the dormers originally were. So obviously we've made everything equidistant, so they've moved a bit. So we're patching up the floor. You've already seen the state of the floor, and so we are going to be painting that floor because yeah, it got stained and it doesn't look amazing. And then hopefully later on this afternoon we will get the sheets of OSB up, and we are going to kind of like finish on the underside of the dormer roofs on the inside and put the cheek pieces on, and that is going to allow us to make a start on building all of the under eaves cupboards that we're going to do, which are going to be there, built and essentially finished, and then we are going to put the walls, the dividing walls, into those. So when we eventually take those walls down, when we move out of there into the main house, hopefully not that long, like and subscribe, then we will just be left with lots of storage. So yeah, let's get on with it.
I cut one, and what it's here, I will use it to do all the small parts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. Sounds like a plan. Now we can hear it. Heavy rain. Heavy rain. Heavy rain. Ow!
Okay.
Whereas if you want to go up that end, and I'll fire this down through to you on your mark. The water.
Yes.
A bit more.
Yes. More. More. Up. Yes.
We built everything off of these poles. This is our reference point. So now check this way. See what we have. 3940 on the nose. 3928. 3922.
Don't have enough?
No.
Yes. I had one like you before I got this one, but it fall from the steel beam 174. It's not flat. It's not horizontal. Okay. So maybe if I do here, just so wanna check somewhere else.
What have you got?
3000.
Now we can do a heavy one.
I don't know how many years ago, but on paper, not one.
La 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 la. What do you think of today? It's one of those ones where it doesn't look like much, but actually a lot has happened. So I'm very happy. I think Merlin's very, very happy. As sunny as it looks outside right now, we've got another huge band of rain coming in tomorrow. So more of the same for tomorrow. And yeah, keep on cracking on. It's definitely very fiddly putting in all this vapor barrier everywhere. But yeah, it's everywhere else. So we are nearly there. This is like the last bit of the vapor barrier within the roof and all is done. So yeah, let's crack on and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye-bye.